Hello students, good morning to you all. Today in GK session we'll start with the chapter 15 and chapter 16. Let's go through with the chapter 15, that is the most unpopular rulers. There were a number of rulers who, because of their ambitions, lust for power and money, ruled dictatorially and were highly unpopular. Okay, in this chapter we are going to see some unpopular rulers. Okay, they were not so popular. See, the first one is you all are right. You all might be knowing. He is Adolf Hitler. Adolf Hitler was a German politician and the leader of Nazi Germany. He became Chancellor of Germany in 1933 after a democratic election in 1932. He became leader of Nazi Germany in 1934. Hitler led the Nazi Party NSDAP from 1921. Adolf Hitler is one of the most well-known and revered figures in history. As the leader of Nazi Germany, he orchestrated both World War II and the Holocaust, events that led to the deaths of at least 40 lakhs people. In the ensuing decades, he was the subject of countless books, documentaries and TV shows. This list presents some notable and a few lesser known facts about him. Next is Benito Mussolini. Benito Mussolini was an Italian political leader who became the fascist dictator of Italy from 1925 to 1945. Originally a revolutionary socialist, he forged the parliamentary fascist movement in 1919 and became prime minister in 1922. Next is Idi Amin. Idi Amin was a military officer and the president of Uganda, whose regime was noted for the sheer scale of its brutality. He was a member of the small Kakwa ethnic group of northwestern Uganda. Amin had little formal education and joined the King's African Rifles of the British Colonial Army in 1946 as an assistant cook. He quickly rose through the ranks and he served in the British action against the Mau Mau revolt in Kenya. Amin was one of the few Ugandan soldiers elevated to officer rank before Ugandan independence in 1962, and he became closely associated with the new nation's Prime Minister and President, Milton Obote. He was made Chief of the Army and Air Force. Next ruler is Ferdinand Marcos. Ferdinand Marcos was a Philippine president, began his career in politics with the murder of Julio Nalondasa in 1935. He was the 10th president of Philippines and ruled from 1965 to 1986. His administration was marked by authoritarianism, corruption, political repression and human rights violation. He was eventually exiled. The next is Saddam Hussein. Saddam Hussein, also spelled Saddam Hussein in full, Saddam Hussein, president of Iraq, whose brutal rule was marked by costly and unsuccessful wars against neighboring country. He was the 5th president of Iraq and ruled from 1979 to 2003. He was widely condemned for brutality of his dictatorship. In 2003, coalition forces of the UK and the US deposed him, and in 2006 he was executed. And the last one is Muammar Gaddafi. Muammar Gaddafi, commonly known as Colonel Gaddafi, was a Libyan revolutionary politician and political theorist within the military. He founded a revolutionary group which deposed the Western-backed Senussi monarchy of Idris in 1969. He was captured and killed by NLA fighters. Thank you for watching the video. Have a nice day. Bye.